I saw you in Mumbai, of course, last time, and you were competing with people from different country, and you were there standing, competing with this another lady. आपको डर लगता है?
डर नहीं लगता, डर लगता है जब तक till they like call my name, call my number. उसके पहले तक इतना डर लगता है, I cannot explain. I feel like, oh my god, I want to die. And the moment they call my name, I am on the table. I don't know, it goes over like, and I have become so confident and I'm like, I'll show you.
जब हम लोग सोचते हैं एक इंडियन विमेन को, आर्म रेसलिंग तो मेरे दिमाग में कभी आएगा भी नहीं कि उसके लिए कुछ यहाँ पे है, फेडरेशंस है. विमेन को compete करते हुए देखना is something that it made me realize that wow, our country is giving the opportunity. क्या आसान था?
बहुत मुश्किल था. When I started 2011 में, there were very less women. एक state championship में, अगर if there are 100 men, there will be like 10 women. अभी ऐसा है, if there are 100 men, there will be at least 60 to 70 women.
So tell me the whole procedure to become an arm wrestler. What did you do? Hi everyone, I'm Reena Augustine from Indus Television. I have the pleasure to have Chetna Sharma, who is the two-time national championship for Miss India Arm Wrestling Championship holder and 8-time national championship for arm wrestling in the country. Hi Chetna.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. I feel strong.
You?
When I feel strong, I'm good.
I'm so glad. I love your t-shirt. I love arm wrestling.
It is a t-shirt gifted to me by Sarah Backman. All arm wrestlers know Sarah Backman.
I think she's
She's the goat of all arm wrestling. All women arm wrestling.
Women arm wrestling. Okay.
Honored to wear this t-shirt.
I love that. Chetna, you are from Assam.
Yeah.
You grew up in Assam?
Yeah, I was born in Assam. I grew up in Assam. I'm working in Assam right now.
And you completed your MCA?
Yeah, I completed my MC from Assam Engineering College.
So Masters in Computer Applications, and then you're working as a software engineer. ये arm wrestling कहाँ से आ गया?
Hey, arm wrestling. Actually, my family is into sports. My paternal side, everybody is either a footballer or athlete. They play athletics. So sports is something that is in my blood. So arm wrestling, I was introduced to arm wrestling in 2011. But I was a very tiny little girl and I was very big. I lost every single match. So I thought it was not my cup of tea. But, I have this attitude like, I don't give up. क्यों हारूंगी मैं? एक बार जीतूंगी, उसके बाद छोड़ूंगी. It was very hard for me. So I thought I will give up arm wrestling. एक बार जीतना है बस. Then I can give up and I can be at peace. Then, I don't know when I got addicted to it and here I am today.
Right. So, आपने बोला कि you got introduced to arm wrestling, ठीक है? Not everybody gets introduced to things that they love, right? So, how was that introduction done?
Actually, a friend introduced me to arm wrestling in 2011. Actually, he was an arm wrestler, so he played. So I got to know, oh, arm wrestling is a real thing. Back then, it was played only in schools and colleges. I didn't know there are arm wrestling federations. We have district championship, state. Then if you get qualified, there are nationals, then in Asian, then world. There's professional arm wrestling. I didn't know any of this thing. I got to know and I was like intrigued. Oh my goodness, I want to play. Then I started playing. I started training and I am here.
Yeah. So I saw you in Mumbai, of course, last time, and you were competing with people from different country, and you were there standing, competing with this another lady. आपको डर लगता है?
डर नहीं लगता, डर लगता है जब तक मेरा नाम till they like call my name, call my number. उसके पहले तक इतना डर लगता है, I cannot explain. I feel like, oh my god, I want to die. And the moment they call my name, I am on the table. I don't know, it goes over like, and I become so confident and I'm like, okay, I'll show you.
I love that. क्योंकि जब हम लोग सोचते हैं एक इंडियन विमेन को, आर्म रेसलिंग तो मेरे दिमाग में कभी आएगा भी नहीं कि उसके लिए कुछ यहाँ पे है, फेडरेशंस है. और वहाँ पे मैंने देखा कि प्रीति जी एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन चला करके सबको अपॉर्चुनिटी दे. आई वाज सरप्राइज्ड. और विमेन को compete करते हुए देखना is something that it made me realize that wow, our country is giving the opportunity. क्या आसान था?
बहुत मुश्किल था. When I started 2011 में, there were very less women. एक state championship में, अगर if there are 100 men, there will be like 10 women. अभी ऐसा है, if there are 100 men, there will be at least 60 to 70 women. I cannot feel the difference, like it is a gradual process, but जब मैं बैठ के सोचती हूँ घर में, तो अच्छा लगता है. And back then, women actually didn't know how to properly do arm wrestling. We used to play with strength. Now we are learning, we're globalizing YouTube and guys teaches us. So we know techniques, and arm wrestling is like developing in India is like crazy.
It is developing now. So growing up, who motivated you?
Yeah, I have lots of friends who motivated me. My mother, thank you, mom. My mother is like, so I come from a family where a girl used to have to get married when she's 23. You have done your graduation, you should get married. And you should have long hairs, you should be like slim and girly girl. So, yeah, when I started arm wrestling, all my cousins, boys, girls, they were like, you want to play something, play chess. You want to do something, sing. You don't go to a power sports. It's a man's sports. Don't go there. You will become like a man. You will look like a man. You will become ugly. There are a lot of setbacks. Then my mom, when I go to my mom crying, my mom is like, don't worry. You do whatever you want to do. I'm there for you. She supported me. And my father is an athlete. So I have the environment at my home. And my mother would cook for me. We have different diet. So we don't eat spicy food, no oil, no salt.
For arm wrestlers, okay?
To work out, to get in.
Got it.
Yeah, throughout the year.
Okay.
So my mom helps me a lot.
Okay, so tell me the whole procedure to become an arm wrestler. What did you do? Like diet, workouts? Tell me more.
So जब मैंने start किया था, I was a vegetarian. पर बाद में मुझे पता चला कि no, I need lots of protein and I don't like those whey proteins and stuff. I'm lactose intolerant, so I thought, why not? I started having chicken, mutton, eggs, fish. At first I used to vomit, but now I cannot live without them. And yeah, and we have this, we don't use oil in our home. Like 1 liter of oil would go for like 1 month and 12 days at my home. Yeah.
Jeez.
So no oil, no spice, no masala. उसके बाद salt, कम salt एकदम, sugar कम, no मिठाई, no chocolate, nothing.
तो सब
And
लोग
I am loving it.
सब लोग घर में सब लोग ऐसा खाते हैं कि नहीं?
नहीं, वो लोग खाते हैं, लेकिन क्या है, पहले जो था मैं नहीं खाती तो साथ में वो नहीं खाएगी तो क्या खरीदना, तो मम्मी पापा का भी ऐसा हो गया.
It's very good, na?
Yeah, it's very.
You changed everybody's life.
I tell them you should thank me.
Yeah. So you said your father is an athlete. So what does he do?
Yeah, he used to play when he was young. He used to play football.
Okay.
Then after 40, he started playing athletics. So, and after like 45, he started playing veteran athletics, like those for the old man.
Yes.
Recently, he went to play state championship and he won 2 gold medals for state. Yeah.
What did he play?
He had one like running competition, 1500 meter, 500 meter one, and he won in hurdles.
Oh my God. Okay, so you get it from your father. You got the family background and your mom supportive. क्योंकि सबको ये नहीं मिलता है, right?
I have friends जो लड़कियां हैं करना चाहती है मेरी तरह, पर घर से क्या होगा, क्या फायदा, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर, शादी कर. It's boring. Everybody does that.
चेतना, आपने जो मुझे अभी बताया कि आपके जो नॉट फैमिली फ्रेंड्स वगैरह बोलते थे कि ये जो स्पोर्ट्स वगैरह आदमी जैसा दिखना लगोगे, ये सब फेमिनिन नहीं है. 90% of the people tell you that for every single thing that you do in your life. Like, ये मत करो, it's not feminine, ये मत करो, it's not feminine. And I'm so glad your mom supported you.
Yeah, my mom likes me so much. She's like, you are different, and I like that.
Yeah. And what about your brother and sister?
They're very supportive.
They are supportive?
Yeah, they're busy with their own lives, but they are supportive. Whenever I win, whenever my videos are there in YouTube, I have lots of blogs in like Google. My brother will send me links like, oh, wow.
Oh, that's so nice.
You should go international now. Everybody supports me. And, when I didn't play arm wrestling, मेरे पास confidence ही नहीं था. 2 लड़के खड़े होते थे गली में, मैं जा नहीं सकती थी, मैं डरती थी. अभी लड़के डरते हैं मेरे से. So it's good.
Oh my God. So that's the whole reason you got into it. No, I'm joking.
No, I enjoy it.
Yes.
It is.
That's good. So you're going to go international now?
Yes, I played my first international here. I tested myself and I think I did pretty good. So अभी 25 से I'll start.
Okay. आपने बोला कि आप 65 के कैटेगरी में आते हैं, तो क्या होता है कैटेगरी? एक्सप्लेन करिए हमें क्या होता है.
वुमेन का है, एज वाइज है एक, जो अप टू 15 years you play, you were in sub junior, 15 to 18 you were junior, 18 to 23 you were youth, 23 plus you were senior, and 40 plus you were master. So सबका कैटेगरी अलग है. आई प्ले इन सीनियर, सो आई टॉक अबाउट सीनियर. सीनियर में 50 का वुमेन का 0 to 50 कैटेगरी है, 50 to 55 है, 60, 65, 70, 80, 90 and 90 plus. There are 8 categories, women categories. Yeah, in district, state and national level and even in international level. So I play in 65 kg women category.
सो आपने मुझे बोला कि रीना मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं थी, राइट? और जब मैं देखती थी 2 लड़के होते हैं खड़े तो मैं नहीं जा पाती थी. क्या है रीज़न उसके पीछे? What psychologically do you think that was the reason?
Actually, you know, when you are physically strong, you are emotionally, mentally, psychologically strong. You gain confidence. वो मैंने देखा है. पहले मैं डरती थी. लोग कुछ कहेंगे, लड़के चिढ़ाएंगे. अभी लड़के चिढ़ाते हैं तो मुझे हंसी आती है. कोई नहीं चिढ़ाता मुझे. Even if they do, I feel funny. ये गुस्सा नहीं आता है, बुरा नहीं लगता है. You know, when you are strong, along with strength, you gain confidence. वो होता है जिंदगी में. कहीं जाने के लिए डर नहीं लगता है, कुछ करने के लिए डर नहीं लगता है. I feel so good about myself.
कितना अच्छा फीलिंग है ना. So do you think कि ऐसा
I'm enjoying my life.
I like that. Do you think आप जैसे कॉन्फिडेंट हैं, आप जिस तरह से एथलेटिक बॉडी बना के रखी है, ऐसे स्कूल में से शुरू हो जाना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ करना चाहिए गवर्नमेंट को?
Yes. This I want to talk about it.
Yeah.
We can start going to gym or doing physical workout from 6 years old. 6 साल से पहले से नहीं करना चाहिए. थोड़ा बोन्स वही रहता है. From 6 years old we can start it. But Indian parents are like, वो बच्चे हैं मत करो. 15 साल तक सोए रहते हैं. 15 साल के बाद जागते हैं तो it's becomes too late. तो अदर कंट्रीज में क्या होता है, बचपन में ही डिसाइड करते हैं कौन सा गेम में जाएंगे. दैट इज वाई दे आर वेरी गुड इन ओलंपिक्स. तो मैं अगर मुझे जिंदगी में कोई बच्चे हुए, आई विल टेक देम टू जिम फ्रॉम 6 years old.
I love that.
अगर हुए तो
Absolutely. 2032 में ब्रिस्बेन में ओलंपिक्स होने वाला है, जहाँ से मैं हूँ. ठीक है. जब अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था कि ब्रिस्बेन इज द होस्ट कंट्री फॉर 2032, अभी 2032 आने में अभी 7 साल है. ठीक है, 7 साल बाकी है. लेकिन जब अनाउंसमेंट हुआ था वो 10 साल पहले हुआ था, लाइक 5 years पहले हुआ था. तो हमारे पास 10 साल था. वहाँ के लोगों ने अपने बच्चों को जो अभी 5 years के हैं, 6 years के हैं, उन्होंने क्लास में लगा दिया है.
yes.
They are preparing for swimming, running, sprints, long jumps. You know, Australia is famous for, you know, being very athletic and sporty. So ये वाला जो सोच है, ये यहाँ अगर आ गया है.
यहाँ पे ऐसा है, सब काम करो, घर का काम करो, किचन में जाओ. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट मैरिड, मम्मी को हेल्प करो. इवन इफ यू आर मैरिड, घर का सारा काम संभालो, पैसा कमाओ. सब करने के बाद अगर कुछ टाइम रहता है 1 घंटा तो जिम जा सकते हो. नहीं जाओगी तो अच्छा लगेगा. That is the attitude.
Okay.
But my family is different and I spend a lot of time in the gym.
You do?
Ah.
Okay.
Yeah, even if I am not working out, I visit gym every day. It's really
Okay. When are you leaving from Mumbai, going back?
February 2nd or 3rd.
Mumbai, you're here till February 2nd, 3rd? You're going to do a gym session with me, okay?
Sure.
Perfect.
I love that.
Yeah. So, आप सिटी गर्ल है कि विलेज गर्ल है?
I'm a city girl.
City
but,
girl?
this is not like Mumbai.
Okay.
It's a small city, but it's
Guwahati, that's the capital?
yeah.
Capital of Assam?
Capital of Assam is Dispur. Dispur comes under Guwahati. Guwahati is a big city and Dispur is a place.
Okay.
Like
okay.
Bandra is a place within Mumbai, right?
Okay.
So Dispur is the capital, called the capital of Assam, and Dispur is a place within the city Guwahati.
Okay.
It's a center place.
Got it. The reason I asked you this is क्योंकि कुछ एरियाज हैं जो डेवलप हो रहे हैं और वहाँ पे सोच यही है कि आपने बोला 23 की हो गई है, पढ़ाई फिनिश हो गया तो शादी करवा देते हैं. थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया तो लड़का नहीं मिलेगा.
नहीं मिलेगा, कोई तुमसे शादी नहीं करेगा.
वाइस वर्सा लड़कों को भी ऐसा है कि लड़की नहीं मिलेगी.
नहीं मिलेगी.
ये क्यों है ऐसा सोच?
भगवान जाने क्यों है.
आपको क्या लगता है?
गुवाहाटी इन असम there is no difference between city and village. सिटी में जो सोच है, विलेजेस में जो सोच है, सिटी में भी सेम है. शादी करो, लड़की हो शादी करो, लड़के हो पैसा कमाओ, शादी करके बहू लाओ, मुझे घर बैठ के आराम करना है.
तो एक तरफ से ये सही नहीं है क्योंकि अगर आप जल्दी शादी कर लेते हैं, जल्दी बेबी होता है तो यू आर देयर फॉर योर चाइल्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम.
If you are not doing anything, if you think I am done with my studies and I don't want to do anything, then you can get married. I don't criticize marriage. I love marriages. I don't criticize that. शादी करो, अच्छा है, लेकिन if someone doesn't want to, you shouldn't force.
ओके.
That's what,
नहीं फोर्स होना चाहिए. बाप रे, बिल्कुल भी नहीं होना चाहिए.
like I'm playing,
हाँ.
I shouldn't be forced.
ये सपोर्टिंग पार्टनर होना ज़रूरी है. अगर मेल के लिए भी फीमेल के लिए भी अगर उनको कुछ करना चाहिए, करना चाहते हैं, एक सपोर्टिव पार्टनर होना चाहिए. वो बोलते हैं कि इफ़ वांट योर करियर टू सक्सीड,
Yes.
द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज whom are you going to get married to?
Yes, that is the problem. अगर कोई लड़की किसी प्रोफेशन में है, if she is doing nothing, it's okay. अगर कोई प्रोफेशन में है, if she is a singer or she is an actress or she is an athlete, बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता है वो मतलब सपोर्ट ढूंढने के लिए, तो it becomes difficult for athletes to find support partners.
आपको लगता है बिकॉज ऑफ द मेन को बहुत ईगो है उसके वजह से?
हाँ, एक चीज मैंने देखा है, when the man will support you till you, even if you are successful, he will support you till you are less successful than him.
करेक्ट.
The day you become more successful than him,
ओके,
it all
तो
starts.
ये दैट ऑल स्टार्ट्स, लेकिन उसके पीछे एक रीजन है, हमारा कल्चर. उनकी भी गलती नहीं.
ये भी गलती नहीं है. They are brought up like that.
एग्जैक्टली. तो क्या कर सकते हैं, इसका सॉल्यूशन क्या है?
अपने माइंड को ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा कि नो नो वी हैव टू चेंज दिस, वी हैव टू चेंज दिस फॉर. अगर मेरी एक बेटी होगी तो उसके साथ मैं क्या करूँगा? If he thinks that problem is solved.
क्या पता कि आजकल के पेरेंट्स चेंज हो रहे हैं.
हाँ, हो रहे हैं, but in a very slow pace.
वेरी स्लो पेस.
Yes, but they are good. Like in-laws, I've seen very very good in-laws.
Yes.
Who let their daughter-in-law play. So there are exceptions.
I love that. Is it because everybody's educated now, getting educated now?
Education plays a very important role, and exposure. Exposure plays a role. So you get exposed to things like what's happening in foreign countries. Earlier हम कुएं के मेंढक थे, कुछ पता नहीं चलता था कि बाहर क्या चल रहा है. जो हमारे संस्कार है वही है. हम भी ऐसे नहीं है. We have to change our संस्कार्स.
So I love that.
Globalization and exposure.
अगर अभी हमारी कोई हमारे व्यूवर्स में से यंगस्टर्स देख रहे हैं और वो आपके जैसा आर्म रेसलर बनना चाहते हैं, आप उनको क्या टिप्स दोगे?
Okay, I have a couple of tips for them. Hard work, and not only hard work. You are doing hard work, you are hitting the wrong bell, it won't work. Smart work. Do your hard work in a very smart way. Then consistency and discipline, resilience. Then a attitude of never giving up. Because when I started arm wrestling, मैं 3 साल तक एक भी मैच नहीं जीती. 3 साल. 3 years I didn't even. आजकल की लड़कियां मैंने देखी है, आती है, क्योंकि बहुत ग्लोबलाइज हो गया है, तब सिखाने वाले बहुत है. सीखते आते ब्रॉन्ज मेडल, सीरीज ब्रॉन्ज मेडल इन फर्स्ट नेशनल चैंपियनशिप. I didn't even win a single match. मेडल तो छोड़िए, didn't even win a single match for 3 years because उस टाइम पे इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं था, यूट्यूब नहीं देखते थे हम लोग, और आई वॉज एंगेज इन माई स्टडीज ऑल्सो. सो 3 साल नहीं जीती. हम लोग 2 हारते तो टूर्नामेंट से आउट हो जाते, तो हमेशा मैं 2 हार जाती थी और आउट हो जाती थी. मेरी जगह कोई दूसरी लड़की होती तो आई बेट वो छोड़ देती अभी तक, कि मैंने छोड़ा नहीं. नेवर गिव अप. सो आई एम एन एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन से. सो नेवर गिव अप.
3 साल.
या और आजकल मैंने एक ट्रेंड देखा है कि लड़के हो या लड़कियां जब खेलते हैं, दे लुक डाउन अपॉन द ओपोनेंट. अगर ओपोनेंट स्ट्रांग है देन इट्स ओके. इफ द ओपोनेंट इज वीकर एंड यू आर गेटिंग योर गेम, or they start behaving very rudely and insulting the opponent. That shouldn't be done, because we should respect our opponents, and who knows, you may be at the receiving end.
You never know.
We never know. So you get what you give, right? So give good so that you get good.
So hard work, discipline, consistency, and being resilient
and never giving up.
Never giving up. You just mentioned कि आप पढ़ाई भी कर रहे थे उस टाइम में, तो साइमल्टेनियसली ये दोनों कर रहे थे?
हाँ, मैं सुबह उठ के, मेरा फर्स्ट क्लास होता था 8 o'clock को, and my college was like 25 kilometers from my place, so I have to get up at around 6, and I go to college, and college खत्म होता था 4:15 को. वहाँ से मैं घर आती 25 kilometers, उसके बाद जिम जाती another 7 kilometers. It was a hard task for me. तो मैं कॉलेज से सीधा जिम में वर्कआउट करते करते मेरा 8:30 हो जाता था. उसके बाद मैं घर आती थी, नहाती थी, उसके बाद होमवर्क करती थी, फिर सो जाती थी. सो आई डिडंट गेट टाइम टू स्टडी. आई जस्ट डिड माई होमवर्क्स. डिडंट गेट टाइम टू स्टडी फॉर सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स ड्यूरिंग द क्लासेस. तो जब एग्जाम का डेट आता था कि 1 महीना है, उस वो 1 महीना में जिम एकदम छोड़ देती हूँ और मैं पागलों की तरह पढ़ती थी. I maintained it somehow.
So one last question I have. ठीक है, फिजिकली तो आप स्ट्रांग हैं, लेकिन मेंटली इंसान को स्ट्रांग होने के लिए आप क्या करते हैं?
फिजिकली स्ट्रांग होने से ज़्यादा मेंटली स्ट्रांग ना ज़्यादा वो है, इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट. फिजिकली क्या है, आप you maintain the proper diet, you have the proper protein and thing, you sleep well, you train well, you will have the physical strength. But mentally क्या है, आप mentally अपने आप को prepare करते हो कोई आके पीछे से कुछ बोल के चला जाता है and it's all gone. Depression, yeah, that happens. हम national championship मेरे साथ हर बार national में होता है. I go to national championship with all the confidence, then someone will come up because they have their own opponents for me, right? They want their students to defeat me. होता है ये, it's natural, it's normal, quite normal. अरे तू तो बहुत weak दिख रही है, अरे तू तो वो तो तुझे हरा देगी इस बार.
Yes.
They want to play psychological and it used to affect me so much. Like मैं मुझे पता था कि मैं जीतूंगी, वो बोलता है तो मैं हार जाऊंगी, मैं हार जाती.
You know what I mean? Like कैसे एक इंसान का नेगेटिविटी, इसीलिए बोलते हैं ना कि you have to surround yourself with positive people.
People, yes.
It is so true. मैं पता है पॉजिटिव पीपल के बारे में बोल रही हूँ, मैं फैमिली और फ्रेंड्स को भी इंक्लूड कर रही हूँ कि अगर वहाँ से भी नेगेटिविटी आती है तो मैं बोलती ब्लॉक करो यार, नहीं चाहिए वो नेगेटिविटी.
I have not found. I have relatives who are very negative towards me for what I chose in life. So I don't know where they are now.
You block them?
Yeah.
Very good. My name is Reena Block Augustine because I block people. No, I'm joking. I do block. अगर थोड़ा सा भी negativity आ गया, so that it's always good to be around people who are positive.
Yeah, if you cannot be supportive towards me, and I'm not doing something very bad, I'm doing something good.
Yeah.
So be supportive, otherwise.
Yeah, you know, anything that you do for yourself, like for your own body, they are my friends. मेरे friends वही हैं जो जिम जाते
They don't
हैं.
have to be our blood relatives or
Yeah. People who go are models, people who run their own podcast about veganism, vegetarian health, you know, they are my friends. बाकी मुझे friends भी नहीं बनाने क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि मैं negative हो जाऊंगी. Example, मैं जैसे यहाँ पे आई.
Enough people in the world.
Yeah, true, right? So it's better. So just one thing that people say, it just affects you, and especially before you go for your match.
पहले होता था. But
हाँ.
nowadays, I don't know from where I got that. इस बार नेशनल में मैं जब गई, बहुत लोग आए. मैं अपने कैटेगरी में चैंपियन हुई. It was inevitable. तो मैं बहुत सीनियर हूँ अभी. I have been arm wrestling from 13 years, so it was okay. But COC में बहुत लोग आए कि तुझे वो हरा देगी. She was heavier than me.
ऐसे बोलते हैं.
हाँ, वो हरा देगी, तू तो हार जाएगी. That happens. Even my guys, the guys who are supporting me, go up to them. I don't even know. Go up to them. अरे चेतना तो तुझे दे देगी. That happens. That slazing kind of thing. बोल रहे थे, 2-3 आके मुझे बोल रहे थे, and I didn't even retaliate. I was like, अच्छा हरा देगी. वाह, बहुत strong है यार, बहुत strong है. हाँ, मैं बस ऐसे ही खेलूंगी. But deep down I was like, तू रुक. To dig with.
I'll show you.
I will show you. He's the boss.
I loved it. ये tattoo के बारे में आप बता रहे थे मुझे. So what exactly is
I have
written?
a tattoo in my bicep.
Yeah.
It's written in Russian. It means arm wrestling is a feeling you can't explain. Russians understand this.
Okay.
And Indians also now, so that I.
Yes. And we've got something here.
This is also in Russian. It means your work is where you are born. आप एक जगह पे पैदा हुए हो, तो God has some plan for you.
For there. Oh wow, I loved it. I love it. Chetna actually has mentioned to us that hard work, consistency, discipline, resilient, and never giving up is the key to arm wrestling for Chetna.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Chetna.
Thank you.
Thank
for
you.
having me.